Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The We Twin Addicts. It's been a while that I've uploaded any video, and that's because we are under lockdown and कहीं भी जाने को तो मिल नहीं रहा है. And trust me, I'm itching to go out for a ride, but then safety first. So through this video I would urge everyone to stay at home and let us break this chain of the virus. So talking ahead, today I'm gonna talk about the OSMO Action by DJI. These guys are known for their drones, and I had been itching to get a action camera. So currently I'm using the Sena 10C Evo, and that camera is also really good. It records in 4K, but the problem with that camera is that it is mounted on the left side of my helmet, and because of that the 10% vision is always blocked because of the helmet's view. Because of that I decided to go ahead and buy a action camera, particularly a camera because Sena in itself is a communication device, and 10C Evo or the 10C, these series were camera plus communication. So obviously they are good in communication, but then camera wise, well, that's not their forte, that's not their specialty. So coming back to DJI OSMO Action, so this camera was launched in 2019 May, and ever since it has given GoPro a run for its money because of, first of all, being so cost effective, as in it's almost half the price of a GoPro. GoPro has just launched Hero 9, and that is priced around 39,000 in India, and this with all its accessories has costed me around 22,000 rupees. So that's a straight away difference of half. So I'll be talking about the specs of this camera in a while. Currently I'll just go ahead and show you what all is in this box, what all comes with this device. So here you have this main device. So it comes with a case, mounting case. So this is the battery case, if I'm not wrong. Yes, this is the battery case. So the battery is 1300 mAh. Then these are all the accessories that are available with it. This is the wire, the locking screw, and then this tiny little thing that is going to be set on the helmet. So yeah, that's about it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this baby up, take it for a test drive. Okay. So you just flip it on like this, snap it open, you lift it up, and then you take out the camera. Now I'm gonna put the battery. So the best thing about this battery is, guys, that this part of the battery is the body case of this camera. Push it in and the light blinks and you're ready to go. And to remove the battery, you snap these two. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead now and insert the memory card. So I've heard people saying that inserting the memory card is a challenge here in this. So let me see, is it really that much of a challenge? Kind of is. It really is. So good thing that I have this SIM card ejector from my phone that I always keep with me. So this is one slight drawback that I find here, but nonetheless works fine. I always have this with me, so it's a good thing. Remove this on. So this is the setup page, English. The first thing about this camera when you pop it up is that it gives you this activation key code, and you can skip it for 5 times only. So HDR, slow-mo, so I'm gonna put in HDR. So guys, the first and foremost primary setting that I can go ahead and see is the DWAP. DWAP is basically the fisheye effect, which I can remove from here, and it's gone. It's gone to 95% effect. 5% still there, but that's pretty manageable. Now, okay, so from here I could have been able to view whatever recording or shoots that I would have done, but right now my camera is SD card is empty. So over here, this is the orientation, this is the timer, this is voice command. So in this camera there is a feature which lets us select and configure the modes that we frequently shoot in. If I shoot in 4K 25 frames per second and I set it and I save that setting, so I can quickly go back here and I can select that. Settings, voice control, snapshot. They have given a button over here. This button, what it does is it brings on, so when I shut down the display of this device, so what this button does is it brings on to the last action that you had selected for this button to do. So if I quickly press it, it will start recording. So now this is the back screen, the main screen of this camera. Going back, there's another screen here which has been their USP since they've launched. So how do I access this screen? So how do I turn this tiny baby on? Is I double tap with 2 fingers. I double tap on the screen at the back and this camera lights up. This is how it's done. So guys, why I find this device better than the GoPro 9 is, first is price, definitely price. The second, it does not require any special kind of casing. This is waterproof up to 10 or 11 meters. GoPro 9 is priced at 39,000 Indian rupees. This is for 19,000. So that's a major difference. All its accessories, if you buy them online, they will cost you around 2,500 Indian rupees. And if you go and buy accessories for GoPro, they'll put a dent of around 5 to 6K in your pocket. So that's one major difference. I will be posting another video, short video, where I'll be installing this on my helmet, and I'll be showing you guys how to install it for those who may need any help regarding that. And all these attachments that they give along with it, and all the attachments that I have bought once I mount this on my helmet. Till then, if you have any questions related to this device, usually I don't do any technical videos. I do moto vlogging, and still if you have any queries, I do drop in your comments. I'll be more than happy to reply on them. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video as much as I did, although this was my first interactive technical video, and I hope you guys stay safe, stay inside, don't roam around right now, it's not safe. Wishing all the best to all of you guys, and hope we are able to break this chain of virus and we are able to get back on the roads again. Thank you so much. Bye bye.